Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hi guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the home page. As you can see, you have here various things and the several information to know it, but before, let's just click over get started and you sign up, or you can find an account by clicking on login, and that's it. So what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So we have just to, I will click over login and I will find my account because I already signed up. I can use Google as another option, and I will have the second option, Apple or Facebook also. Then you will click over continue, and then you write your password. Then you click over continue. Then we have here the home page, but we have it as a member, but I will just change it as a creator. So this is the home page. So firstly, we have here home, collections, membership, and about. Then we have in my page, library, audience, insights, payout, promotions, community, notifications also, and settings. So your Patreon is really here is how to make it yours. So adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. Firstly, you add a profile photo, then describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. Then we have make your first public post, let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. Then we have publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then you have to tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. About describe your page, you have just to go into a video. You write your video here, URL, then you have bio and a short bio to let people know more about who are you and what you create and why you are on Patreon. Then we have your social, help people find you wherever you are. Connect your other accounts to show them on your page will never post on your behalf. You have your YouTube connected. Then you have Instagram, you can just connect it here, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok. So there's followers in YouTube that you don't have it in Instagram. So in this page, patreon.com, when just go to this page by clicking on the link on YouTube, you will find also your account on Patreon of Instagram, and you will have another followers on Instagram, and it's the same about Instagram from YouTube. Then you have about make your first public post. You have just to choose and you select the type. For example, we have text or video, audio, image, link, or poll. I will click over text. Then we have create text post at the title. Firstly, for example, selling products. Then I will here tell a story. I found some shoes of basketball, especially of Kyrie Irving, for example. I tell you that if you wanna one shoes and it's very cheap, just $100, as you can see. Then you have to attach and upload the image here, and you click over next. You have here who can access this post. This post will be visible to anyone who visits your Patreon. Yes, of course, public, then paid members only, free member only, and we have here set a release date. Schedule your post or set it to have an earlier release date. Backdated posts won't be at the top of your page and will appear based on the date you set. You have your allow comments on this post. All members can comment on your public posts. Then you have your notify members when this post goes live. Then schedule also. So let's come back. Then we have collections. You have just to click over create collection, add the title and description. Then you click over create collection. Then we have membership here. About your paid membership income, you can account on earn acquiring income from your biggest fans. Start with what you have. Offer something you are already excited to share with your friends, plus some other perks. Grow your creative business. Get insights on your members. Create exclusive member only chats and more. You can just click over get started. Then you have in your tier, customer's tier, write your tier name, monthly price. For example, I will choose $5, $50. Then you have tier description, describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then you have here add cover image, tier benefits also, let your members know what they can expect from this membership tier. And you have which will allow members to try this tier for 7 days before charging them. You have advanced here, tier settings. You have just to click over here, and also you have a limit of person, for example 1 million because I'm very famous. Then you have Discord access, figures, fate also. So let's come back to the home page. We have also here about, but that's it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.